Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. Thompson here, and I am here with your second fluency option, but this is the second activity. So we need whiteboards for this activity. So if you need to pause, go ahead and get out your whiteboards and markers if you don't have them already. Okay, boys and girls. So we are going to be using our whiteboards just to practice some things that we've learned already. So here we go. Forms of multiplication. Write the array as a repeated addition for this array. So go ahead and write that now. Did you write 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15? Awesome work. All right, now take a look at this array. Write two multiplication equations for 7 groups of 2. When I say waterfall, show us your answers. 1, 2, 3. Waterfall. Yes. 7 times 2 equals 14, and 2 times 7 equals 14. Awesome work. Now take a look at this equation and this array. Go ahead and finish the equation. 18 equals 6 times blank. Don't let the 18 equals in the front trick you. Right, the answer is 3. All right, boys and girls, now take a look at the first array. Please write on your boards 5 3s equals blank. What goes in the blank? And boys and girls, I want you this time to type it in the chat when I say waterfall. 1, 2, 3, waterfall. What's the answer? Yes, I am seeing 15 come through there. Awesome work. Now let's take a look at this one. Now this one is 5 3s and 1 more 3. Let's go ahead and put, what do we think will go here? And what do we think will go here? So how many 3s do we have if we have 5 3s plus 1 3s? Go ahead and type it in the chat. When I say waterfall, hit enter. 1, 2, 3, waterfall. Awesome work. We know that 5 3s and 1 3 is 6 3s. Wonderful. So 6 3s and equals how many 1s, boys and girls? When I type it in the chat, do not send it yet. 1, 2, 3, waterfall, send it now. You are right, 18 1s. Awesome work. Now let's take a look at this array. Boys and girls, I need for you to write this on your boards. How many 4s are here? Right, 3 4s. And 3 4s equals what? Go ahead and write that on your board. Wonderful. 3 4s is 12. Excellent work, boys and girls. Have a great day.